Google Ads Callout Hacks. Today, we're cracking the code on Google Ads Callout Hacks to skyrocket your click-through rates and make your competitors weep with envy. So, buckle up. Hack number 1. Be specific, not vague. Don't say free shipping. Everyone offers that. Say free 2-day shipping on all orders. Now, that's juicy. Highlight specific details that make you unique, like award-winning customer service or organic ingredients, no nasties. Hack number 2. Urgency wins every time. People procrastinate like champions. Give them a nudge with callouts like limited time offer or sale ends tonight. Scarcity triggers that FOMO feeling, pushing them to click before it's too late. Hack number 3. Numbers are magic. Increase sales by 30% just sounds more believable than boost sales. Facts and figures add authority and make your claims irresistible. Think percentages, awards, or customer testimonials. Hack number 4. Calls to action. Don't let your callouts be passive observer. Tell people what to do. Use verbs like shop now, download today, or get a quote. Remember, a clear call to action is your ad's secret weapon. Hack number 5. Test, tweak, and conquer. Don't just set it and forget it. A/B test different callouts to see what resonates with your audience. Track performance, swap out underperformers, and watch your click-throughs soar. So there you have it, folks. Master these callout hacks and watch your Google ads become irresistible click magnets. Remember, urgency, numbers, and clear calls to action are your keys to the kingdom. Now go ahead and conquer the search engine page results. And here's a bonus tip. Add humor or a surprising twist to your callouts. People love unexpected things, and a smile can go a long way in making your ads memorable. Want even more Google Ads wisdom? Follow me on my social media for daily tips and tricks.